Hello everyone and welcome to the next video in our Linux command lines for beginners series. We are going to learn about the top command. The top command is a task manager and a system monitoring utility that is commonly used in Linux and Unix based systems such as Kali Linux. It provides real-time information about the process running on the system, including its CPU and memory usage, process ID, and more. The top command allows you to monitor system resources, usage, and manage process interactively. So once I click enter, you'll see. So the key features of the top command is it displays real-time system information. It shows CPU and memory usage for each process. It lists process in order of their resource consumption. It allows you to manage process, e.g. like kill a process. Simply type top to start monitoring the system, which I've already done here. And you can see the PID, the user, PRO, NI, VILT, and the rest. The top output is divided into two main sections. The system summary, which display overall system stats like uptime, number of tasks, CPU usage, and memory usage. It displays tasks, the CPU usage, the memory usage. The second is process list, which display detailed information about each process running on the system. Some key columns include the PID, which represents the process ID, while the user is the one who started the process. The PRs represents the process priority. The NI represents nice value. It affects process priority, and VIRT, the VET, represents the visual memory used by the process. The RES represents the resident memory used by the process. The CPU represents the percentage of CPU usage by the process, while the percentage MEM represents the percentage of memory used by the process, and so on. I can pass various flags to the top command to customize its outputs. Some commonly used options include the -u, which shows process for a specific user. So once I use the top -u root, this command will show the process of the root users. So if you observe, you see only root user here. You don't see any other user apart from root user. And this is the process ID. To monitor the specific process by their PIDs, I'll use the command top -p 979 1492. This command monitor the specific processes by their PID. Ctrl C. In conclusion, the top command is a crucial tool for real-time monitoring and process management on Linux and Unix systems. It helps you identify system resources and monitor process behavior, and even interactively manage processes. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like, subscribe, and share.